Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a flu shot with CVS online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get a flu shot. How do you actually go ahead and schedule your appointment with CVS online? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to CVS. Next, log in using your account and email. Next, click on Schedule Vaccinations. Now, once you click on Schedule Vaccinations, this is where you're going to follow the on-screen prompts. So we're going to go ahead and click on Add Someone Else. And we're just going to enter your information here. Now, once you enter your information, you're just going to enter your date of birth and click on Add. So now once you have individuals added onto here, you're going to click on Add Vaccines. And then you can add up to 3 vaccines total. So we're just going to choose flu and COVID, then click on add vaccines. Next, we're going to click on next, then click on next, and then follow the on-screen prompts. And then this is where you're going to find your closest Walgreens to you. And so with it, you can just choose a location that's closest to you. So from here, you could actually go ahead and let's say that you want to go ahead and choose whichever one is nearest or first available. But with that, you can actually organize it by date and where you are so that you can find the closest CVS to you. But pretty much from here, it's pretty much self-explanatory. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule a vaccine with CVS online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.